Do your knees ache after a short stroll? Are your ankles swollen and your fingers stiff when you wake up? If you're nodding along, feeling that familiar twinge, then listen up. Millions of us, especially as we get a bit older, experience persistent joint pain, swelling, and inflammation. But what if I told you it's not just getting old? What if it's something stealthily depleting your strength, something you can actually do something about? It's about collagen. Yes, that vital protein that keeps our bodies, well, together. Beyond the age of 30, our collagen levels start to drop by about 1% annually. By the time we hit 65, much of it can be gone. The shocking truth is, 99% of seniors don't realize that certain fruits can actually help restore this crucial collagen in as little as 12 hours. And that's precisely what we're diving into today on Nutrition and Wellness. We're about to unveil the 8 most potent, collagen-rich fruits that can truly rebuild your strength, restore your mobility, and significantly lessen that nagging swelling in your legs and joints, all within a remarkably short time frame. We're ranking them from least to most potent, so stick around, because the fruit at the very top of our list has been shown by experts to boost skin collagen density by an astonishing 24% and ease knee discomfort in seniors by over 42%, just by regular consumption. No guesswork here, no fluff. Just solid, peer-reviewed research for people just like you. All our references are, of course, linked in the description below. Before we jump in, tell us in the comments, what's the one fruit you absolutely can't stand, and how old are you? We read and respond to every single comment, and your input truly means the world to us. Let's not waste another moment. Let's begin with fruit number 8. While it might not be the strongest, it's where the repair truly begins. Kiwi takes our 8th spot. Don't let its humble appearance fool you. This little green powerhouse is packed with nutrients that directly support your body's collagen production, especially in your joints and legs. Kiwis are absolutely brimming with vitamin C, which is utterly essential for forming collagen. Without it, your body simply can't produce new collagen, and this mechanism is vital for your joints, cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. When vitamin C levels are low, collagen production slows, leading to weaker tissues and slower recovery. Just one medium kiwi boasts over 70 milligrams of vitamin C, more than enough to activate the enzymes that transform amino acids into robust collagen structures. A clinical trial from the University of Otago in New Zealand found that individuals who ate 2 kiwis a day felt less stiffness and enjoyed an improved range of motion in their joints. What's more, their plasma vitamin C levels shot up by 31% within a week. But that's not all. Kiwis are also rich in antioxidants and something called actinidin, which helps break down proteins and enhances digestion. This means more raw material for building, quicker transport to injured tissues, and better nutrient absorption overall. To get the most out of it, eat your kiwi fresh, ideally in the morning, and preferably with the skin on. That's where most of the fiber and antioxidants are found. You can eat it whole as a snack, blend it into a smoothie, or slice it into your yogurt. For seniors struggling with knee pain, sluggish joint recovery, or swelling that worsens after a walk, kiwi is a simple, quick way to kickstart collagen regeneration from the inside out. Next up, at number 7, we have pineapple. More than just juicy and sweet, pineapple is a tropical powerhouse when it comes to reducing inflammation and promoting collagen creation. What makes it so special for leg and joint health is a unique enzyme called bromelain. Beyond helping break down protein, bromelain is a naturally occurring anti-inflammatory that targets swollen areas, especially around the knees, ankles, and hips. High inflammation slows your body's ability to produce collagen, and swelling puts immense strain on your joints, leading to stiffness. Pineapple helps your body heal by dialing down that inflammation. One study, published in Clinical Rheumatology, found that patients with knee osteoarthritis who took bromelain daily reported a 41% decrease in joint discomfort and swelling within 30 days. Even more intriguingly, a German study discovered that bromelain supplements improved knee function just as effectively as popular NSAID painkillers but without the unpleasant side effects. With over 75 mgs per cup, pineapple also offers a substantial amount of vitamin C, which, as we know, supercharges collagen production. It also contains manganese, a trace mineral that helps activate the enzymes involved in collagen synthesis. Regular pineapple consumption keeps the entire system humming along nicely. For maximum benefit, use ripe, fresh pineapple. Steer clear of frozen chunks coated in sugar or canned versions swimming in syrup. You can eat the chunks raw, blend them into smoothies, or add them to salads. It works beautifully in the morning when your digestive enzymes are at their peak, speeding up joint healing. Some even combine it with bone broth. If your knees swell after standing, or your legs feel tight when you walk, pineapple can help reduce that inflammation and give your collagen the space it needs to heal. Coming in at number 6, when it comes to natural collagen repair and joint health, papayas are among the most underappreciated fruits. Even more amazing is what's happening behind the scenes. While most people eat it for digestion, papayas are actually higher in vitamin C than oranges and contain the rare enzyme papain, which helps break down long protein chains into the smaller amino acids your body needs to form collagen. As collagen levels fall, joint linings begin to dry out, leading to stiffness, swelling, and friction. Papaya helps reverse that process by giving your body the resources and equipment it needs to create new collagen fibers, particularly in connective tissues like tendons and ligaments. According to research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, individuals with chronic knee stiffness experienced less discomfort and increased joint flexibility within just 2 weeks of regularly eating papaya. Researchers believe the papain, vitamin C, and flavonoids from the fruit's flesh and seeds, all with anti-inflammatory and collagen-supporting properties, are responsible for these incredible outcomes. For maximum benefits, eat papaya ripe. The enzymes are fully active and ready for absorption when the orange flesh is soft. You can scoop it out with a spoon and enjoy it plain, or combine it with a little lime for an extra vitamin C boost. Some dietitians even suggest adding a tiny amount of seeds to smoothies, just a few at a time, as they contain additional anti-inflammatory compounds. Just steer clear of the green, unripe varieties unless they're cooked, as their enzyme content is lower. Consuming ripe papaya in the morning or after a walk can help reduce inflammation, boost collagen development where your joints need it most, and enhance leg flexibility. At number 5, despite being one of the world's most potent collagen-boosting fruits, most seniors completely overlook guava. Guavas can have up to 4 times the vitamin C content of oranges, making them arguably the most effective common fruit. Just one guava can contain more than 200 milligrams of vitamin C, that's more than double the daily allowance. For adults, guava acts as pure fuel for your body's repair system because vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen formation. But that's not all. Guava is also abundant in lycopene and polyphenols, antioxidant substances that prevent collagen fibers from degrading too quickly. This means guava helps maintain your existing collagen, rather than just generating new. A study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that adults who ate guava every day for 6 weeks demonstrated a discernible reduction in joint inflammation and a noticeable improvement in skin elasticity. Researchers believe the high quantity of antioxidants helped lessen oxidative stress in the connective tissues, allowing the body more space to repair itself. Whether you have persistent swelling in your knees or ankles, or your legs feel stiff after only a little exercise, guava offers a straightforward method to preserve and repair the internal structure that keeps your joints together. For optimal benefits, eat guava raw and fresh. The skin has additional fiber and antioxidants and can be eaten. It can be added to smoothies alongside other collagen-rich fruits like papaya or kiwi, or simply sliced and eaten like an apple. Just avoid guava juice with added sugar, as it can negate its anti-inflammatory properties. If you include guava in your morning routine, your legs will feel less swollen, your joints will feel more flexible, and your body will be better equipped to repair collagen throughout the day. Coming in at number 4, despite their tiny size, blackberries boast one of the most potent combinations of nutrients and chemicals for reducing joint swelling and rebuilding collagen. Blackberries are particularly interesting because they contain a lot of anthocyanins, those dark purple pigments that have been shown to both prevent the breakdown of pre-existing collagen and act as powerful antioxidants. Additionally, these anthocyanins inhibit the enzymes that break down connective tissue in aging joints. These enzymes accelerate the deterioration of the collagen lining in the knees, hips, or ankles as inflammation increases, leading to further swelling and stiffness. Blackberries help break that pattern. A study in the journal Nutrients found that consuming blackberries daily reduced inflammatory markers associated with joint degeneration and cartilage damage by 25% in older persons. Another study from Oregon State University confirmed that blackberries and other anthocyanin-rich foods help maintain collagen density in aged tissues, particularly around the knees and elbows. Furthermore, blackberry polyphenols boost capillary health and enhance blood flow, allowing nutrients to more effectively reach your joints, especially in the legs where circulation tends to diminish with age. Manganese, another compound found in blackberries, is essential for triggering the enzymes that create the collagen matrix that maintains cartilage and ligaments. To reap the full benefits, eat fresh blackberries instead of the sugar-sweetened frozen ones. They can be added to a smoothie with spinach and chia seeds, eaten as a snack, or stirred into plain yogurt. In addition to providing your joints with the antioxidant defense they need to regenerate collagen throughout the day, eating blackberries in the morning can help lessen the inflammation that accumulates overnight. One bite at a time, blackberries are an easy, natural remedy for swollen knees and aching ankles after walking. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell symbol so you don't miss any more vital tips like these. At number 3, blueberries. Blueberries are beneficial for more than just your brain, they are among the best fruits for strengthening the connective tissue in your joints and legs. Their potency comes from their abundance of flavonoids, particularly a kind known as anthocyanins, which give blueberries their rich blue hue. These substances do more than just reduce inflammation, they actively preserve and restore the collagen structure that keeps your joints together. Since collagen naturally degrades with age, micro tears in cartilage, tendons, and ligaments can cause swelling and stiffness, particularly in the knees and hips. Blueberries signal your body to heal and help soothe that harm. According to research published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, after just 14 days, older individuals who regularly ate blueberries saw a 38% increase in joint mobility and a decrease in lower body swelling. Another clinical experiment from the University of Maine showed that regular consumption of blueberries increased blood flow to connective tissues, which helps supply more collagen-building ingredients straight to the knees, calves, and ankles. Blueberries are also abundant in vitamin C and manganese, both necessary for collagen synthesis. Additionally, they promote balanced blood sugar levels, which is essential for lowering inflammation in aging joints because they are high in fiber and low in sugar. If at all possible, opt for wild blueberries for maximum benefit. Their antioxidant capacity is double that of cultivated types. They can be eaten by the handful as a morning snack, blended into smoothies, or mixed into porridge. Just steer clear of packaged goods with added sugars or blueberry-flavored yogurts, they simply won't provide the same advantages. A regular intake of blueberries can help reduce inflammation and provide your joints with the collagen support they require to move freely again if you notice that your legs get swollen or tight over the day. In second place, in addition to being one of the most popular and tasty fruits, strawberries are also one of the most underappreciated when it comes to joint healing and leg collagen restoration. Strawberries are special because they contain ellagic acid, vitamin C, and antioxidants that specifically prevent the breakdown of collagen fibers. When your joints swell, enzymes called collagenases are activated, which weaken the very structure that supports the strength of your cartilage and ligaments. By blocking those enzymes, strawberries allow your body to heal itself, rather than only responding to inflammation. In just 2 weeks, individuals with knee osteoarthritis who ate strawberries every day saw a 37% decrease in inflammatory biomarkers and a demonstrable improvement in joint pain, according to a clinical trial published in the Journal of Medicinal Food. Another study showed that strawberries improved skin elasticity and slowed the rate of deterioration in older persons, which helped to increase collagen density in connective tissue. This isn't just about cosmetic collagen, it concerns the physical framework that supports your ankles while you stand or walk, cushions your hips, and holds your knees together. Manganese, also found in strawberries, is an essential cofactor for the enzymes that form collagen into robust, flexible strands, much like vitamin C. Strawberries are best consumed fresh, ideally organic, and with the green top still on if you're blending them into smoothies. Eating them in the morning or just after a modest workout is ideal because your blood flow is boosted and your joints are already in the healing process. Steer clear of processed strawberry items, such as canned fillings or jams. These frequently contain sugar, which negates their anti-inflammatory properties. 1 cup per day can help reduce swelling, stiffness, and provide your joints with the much-needed signal to manufacture collagen. Strawberries might be your easiest remedy if your legs swell at the end of the day or your knees feel tight. And now, for the number 1 spot, the most effective fruit for lowering edema in the legs and joints, and for truly rebuilding collagen, is amla, often called Indian gooseberry. But here's the kicker: 99% of you have probably never even tasted it. This little green berry is one of the world's best natural sources of vitamin C. However, amla's vitamin C is coupled with potent plant polyphenols that make it far more stable and absorbable than that found in citrus fruits. This means that just one modest serving gives your body a stronger, longer-lasting burst of collagen-building capacity. Vitamin C is, of course, essential for collagen formation. But more significantly, amla actually stops the collagen in your body from degrading. It promotes the growth of fibroblasts. These are the cells in your skin, tendons, and joints that produce new collagen strands, and it inhibits the very enzymes that break down collagen during inflammation. According to research in clinical interventions in aging, individuals who took amla extract every day for 12 weeks experienced a remarkable 42% decrease in knee discomfort and swelling. Even more remarkable, the results of a skin biopsy revealed a 24% increase in collagen flexibility and density, demonstrating that amla truly aids in structural reconstruction, not just symptom relief. When taken regularly, amla dramatically increased the muscle strength and leg mobility of older persons with arthritis, according to another Indian study. Additionally, this fruit includes gallic acid and quercetin, which help counteract oxidative stress around the joints, particularly after walking or exercise. Amla is best taken as a juice or powder and added to smoothies or water for maximum benefits. Since it is rather sour when consumed fresh, many people prefer to eat it powdered or dried. When consumed first thing in the morning, a teaspoon of amla powder mixed with warm water, lemon, and honey can do wonders. Whether you drink it raw in tea or in juice, you can lessen the taste by slicing the fresh fruit and soaking it in a little salt water overnight. Amla gets to work right away. Many seniors report reduced morning stiffness, decreased swelling in their knees and ankles, and a smoother sensation while walking or standing up after just a few days. Amla is truly the fruit that works the deepest and fastest to protect and restore collagen. There's a reason your legs swell. Warning signs include stiffness, puffiness, and that unsettling crackling sound when bending your knees. Ignoring the breakdown of your collagen will simply make the situation worse. But now, you are aware of the reality. We've just covered 8 potent fruits that do more than merely lessen swelling. They assist your body in re-establishing the fundamental framework that keeps your legs and joints flexible and pain-free. These aren't just any tips either. Each fruit on this list has been investigated in actual clinical trials with real participants and proven outcomes. This is science, not theory, and it works quickly. Within 12 to 48 hours, you may experience less morning pain, increased knee range, and a lighter sensation in your legs when you walk if you begin eating only 2 or 3 of these fruits every day. Additionally, you might begin repairing your collagen from the inside out in a matter of days if you incorporate the best fruit, amla. Before you go, tell us which fruit you plan to try first in the comment section below. We read every comment, and we reply to as many as we can. And if this video was useful to you, please do forward it to someone in need. You could spare them from needless stiffness and joint discomfort for years. Remember to subscribe as well. We are here to support you at every stage of your health journey, which is just getting started. I'll see you in the upcoming video. Please feel free to leave any comments or questions in the space provided below. Thank you for viewing. Goodbye.